Hello, today we are going to talk about Shri Ram Housing Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Shri Ram Housing Home Loan. Having monthly salary is nil. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 65 years for salaried and 21 years to 70 years for self-salaried. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650 plus. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount of rupees 15 lakhs to 1 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 20 years. Login fees will be more than for amounts up to 50 lakh, the fee is 3540, and for amounts over 50 lakh, the fee is 5,900 and above. Rate of interest and type will be 11.50% to 13%. Turnaround time is 7 days for sanction and 2 days for disbursement, subject to submission of complete documents. Disbursement will be done within 2 days after receiving all required documents. Insurance charges will be 1% to 4%. Foreclosure charges will be 5% to 6%. Part payment is 3 years for self-employed person. Home loan OD product is 12 month. Processing fees is 1% of loan amount. Product fresh purchase, plot purchase, construction BT plus top-up, home renovation seller BT co-applicant yes. Business vintage for self-employed person will be 2 years. Job experience for salaried person 1 year. If person is eligible, he/she may get experience with current employer 1 month. USP, cash salary is also considered, pension also considered, DPDD are also considered. Location, 45 kilometers from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are real estate cash salary. Negative property, unapproved 4th floor and above, unapproved freehold property where any authority belongs. Basements and specific product for professional, no. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, foreclosure statement and SOA if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if own residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, foreclosure statement and SOA if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill if own residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership firm LLP.